Great morning, students. I am Pooja, your maths educator, and today we learn 6th class maths exercise 1C. In previous video, I explained you the question number up to 22, and the question number 23 is as it is of question number 22. And I hope you solve this question yourself. Now we start our question number 24. And in this question, the statement is that the mass of a cylinder filled with the gas is the 30 kg to 50 gram. And the mass of the empty cylinder is the 14 kilogram 480 gram. Then how much is the mass of the gas contained in it? In this question, the statement is that you have to given the mass of the full cylinder. आप घर में गैस का सिलेंडर यूज़ करते हैं तो जो जिस सिलेंडर में गैस पूरी भरी होती है उसका वेट आपका डिफरेंट होता है. जो एम्प्टी सिलेंडर होगा, एम्प्टी मीन्स खाली, जो खाली सिलेंडर होगा उसका वेट डिफरेंट होगा. सो यू हैव टू फाइंड द हाउ मच इज द वेट, हाउ मच इज द मास ऑफ द गैस which is filled in the cylinder. That's why. So we start our question. First we write mass of cylinder filled with the gas, that is equal to 30 kg kilogram and gram. 30 kilogram 250 gram. Now we have to write mass of empty cylinder. Mass of empty cylinder. Empty means khali. That is equal to 14 kg 480 gram. Now you have to find the mass of gas. Mass of gas. When you have to find the mass of gas, then you have to subtract the number. Now let us start the subtraction. 0 minus 0, that is equal to 0. 5 minus 8, it is not possible. So we take borrow from here, and after taking borrow the number is a 15. Then 15 minus 8, that is equal to 7. Again here is a 1 and we are not able to subtract a 4 from 1, so again we take borrow. Then 11 minus 4, that is equal to 7. Now here is a number 9. 9 minus 4, that is equal to 5, and 2 minus 1, that is equal to 1. So our answer is mass of gas, that is equal to 15 kilogram 770 gram. This is your answer. Now it is clear to all of you. Let us we start our next question, question number 25. And in this question it is given that from a cloth 5 meter long, a piece of length 2 meter 85 centimeter is a cut off. What is the length of the remaining piece? Now you see that in this statement you have to given a piece of cloth. So first of all we write length of cloth. Length of cloth, that is equal to 5 meter. And we know that meter is converted into centimeter. So we write 5 meter and write 20 at the place of centimeter, because 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. After that it is given that we have to cut a piece. हमने एक पीस कट किया है और जो पीस कट किया है उसकी लेंथ आपको गिवन है 2 मीटर 85 सेंटीमीटर. सो वी राइट पीस ऑफ लेंथ कट ऑफ. पीस ऑफ लेंथ cut off, that is equal to 2 meter 85 centimeter. Clear? Now we have to find the length of the remaining piece. Length of remaining piece. What is the meaning of remaining? Remaining means जो बाकी का piece बच गया है. Suppose I give you that this is the length of the cloth. ये आपके cloth की length है and this is equal to 5 meter. Clear this one? After that we have to cut a piece. हमने यहाँ से यहाँ तक ये piece कट कर दिया है and its length is 2 meter 85 centimeter. Now we have to find the length of this part. Then what we do? We subtract this part of the length from the whole part. जो whole part है 5 meter का, उसमें से ये part हमने कट कर दिया. So we subtract this part from the total one. So in the question we do the same process. We subtract the number and after subtracting we get 10 minus 5, that is to 5. Now 9 minus 8, that is equal to 1, and here is a 4. 4 minus 2, that is equal to 2. So we write length of the remaining part, length of remaining part, remaining means बाकी, जो part आपका बाकी बच गया है, remaining piece, that is equal to 2 meter 15 centimeter. This is your answer. Now clear this question. Now let us start question number 26, and in this question the statement is that in order to make a shirt a length of 2 meter 75 centimeter of cloth is needed. It means that एक शर्ट बनाने के लिए you have to need the cloth of 2 meter 75 centimeter. Now how much length of the cloth will be required for 16 such shirts? 16 shirts बनाने के लिए आपको कितनी लेंथ की जरूरत होगी? So 16 is more than one shirt, so it means that you have to multiply the number. Now we start to solve our question. Cost of cloth is needed for one shirt. Cloth is needed for one shirt, that is equal to 2 meter 75 centimeter. 2 meter 75 centimeter. Now we have to find the cost of 16 shirt. Cloth is needed for 16 shirts. So we have to multiply the number. We write this number like this: 2.75 multiplied by 60. After doing the multiplication, we get 6 5 ja 30, 3 carry, 6 7 ja 42 plus 3 45, then 4 carry, 6 2 ja 12 plus 4 16. Now multiply the number by 1. Now the number becomes 5, 7 and 2. Now we have to add the number 0, 5 plus 5, 10, then 7 plus 6, 13 plus 1, 14, and then again 1 carry, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4. It means that 44 meter. So our answer is 44 meter. 44 meter cloth is needed for 16 shirts. Clear this one? Now we start our next question. Now in question number 27, the statement is that for making 8 trouser of the same size. साइज सभी ट्राउज़र का सेम है एंड फॉर मेकिंग 8 ट्राउज़र 14 मीटर 80 सेंटीमीटर क्लॉथ इज नीडेड. then how much cloth will be required for each such trouser? तो एक ट्राउजर के लिए आपको कितने क्लोथ की रिक्वायरमेंट है? सो इन दिस क्वेश्चन यू हैव टू गिवन दैट क्लोथ इज यूज्ड फॉर 8 ट्राउजर. 8 ट्राउजर में आपका कितना क्लोथ यूज होता है और आपको फाइंड आउट करना है 1 ट्राउजर का. तो 1 ट्राउजर मीन्स लेस, कम ट्राउजर है, और कम के लिए हम क्या करते हैं? वी डू द डिविजन इन दिस type of question. So in this question we divide the number. So we write 8 trouser for 8 trousers. Cloth is needed. Cloth is needed. That is equal to 14 meter 80 centimeter. Now we have to find that how much cloth is needed for 1 trouser. For 1 trouser cloth is needed. So we write 14.80 divided by 8. 1 trouser की फाइंड आउट करनी है तो हम डिवाइड करेंगे. ओके, नाउ वी स्टार्ट टू डिवाइड द नंबर. This is 14.80 and we start to divide by 8. 8 1 ja 8. Now the remainder is 6. Now this number comes down and here the number becomes 68. Now this number after the point, so we put here decimal and 8 8 ja 64. Then 4 is remainder. Now we bring another number, that is 0. Now 8 5s are 40 and our remainder becomes 0. So it means that for 1 shirt we have to need this cloth. So here we write for 1 trouser 1.85 meter, because we write here the decimal, that's why we write meter. 1.85 meter for one trouser. 1.85 meter cloth is needed. Cloth is needed. So clear this question. Now we start our next question. Now in question number 28, the statement is that the mass of 1 brick is 2 kilogram 750 gram. Then what is the total mass of 14 such bricks? First of all, you have to know what is the meaning of brick. Brick means ईट, जो आप घर बनाने में यूज करते हैं ईट का, उसे कहते हैं ब्रिक. मास मीन्स वेट, जो एक ईट है, एक ब्रिक है, उसका वेट आपको गिवन है and you have to find the weight of 14 brick. It is a very simple question and it is related to the question number 26. जैसे हमने 26 क्वेश्चन किया था, this question is the same as it is of question number 26. So let us start. Mass of 1 brick, that is equal to 2 kilogram 750 gram. Now we have to find the mass of 14 bricks. Mass of 14 bricks. अब bricks क्वांटिटी में ज़्यादा हो गई हैं, more than 1 हो गई हैं, that's why we write here x. Now the number of bricks are more than, and in more than we have to do the multiplication, so we do 2.750 multiplied by 14. Now let us start the multiplication. 2.750 multiplied by 14. 14 0 0. 14 5s are 70. Then 7 carry. 14 7s are 98. 98 plus 7, that is equal to 105. 5, then 10 carry. 14 2s are 28 plus 10, that is equal to 38. Now the answer is 38 kilogram 500 gram. So the weight of 14 bricks, mass of So after doing the multiplication, we find that mass of 14 bricks is 38 kilogram 500 gram. Clear this one? Now the next question, question number 29. In this question, the statement is that the total mass of 8 packets, each of same size, is 10 kilogram 600 gram. आपके पास 8 पैकेट हैं छोटे छोटे जिनका सभी का साइज सेम है और उन सब का जो वेट है वो है 10 किलोग्राम 600 ग्राम. नाउ व्हाट इज द मास ऑफ ईच सच पैकेट. आपको ईच मीन्स एक पैकेट का मास फाइंड आउट करना है. इट मीन्स एक पैकेट का वेट फाइंड आउट करना है. सो इन दिस क्वेश्चन यू हैव टू डू द डिवीजन एंड दिस क्वेश्चन इज द सेम एज द क्वेश्चन नंबर 27. 27 में 8 ट्राउजर सेम साइज की थी एंड इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 29 8 पैकेट्स हैं जो कि सेम साइज के हैं. यू हैव टू फाइंड द वेट ऑफ ईच पैकेट एंड आई होप यू डू दिस क्वेश्चन योरसेल्फ. नाउ द लास्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ दिस एक्सरसाइज. Now the last question of this exercise is a rope of length 10 meter has been divided into 8 pieces of the same length. What is the length of each piece? आपको गिवन है कि एक टोटल लेंथ है, ये रोप है एंड इट्स लेंथ इज 10 मीटर. 10 मीटर इसकी यहां से लेकर यहां तक टोटल लेंथ है. It is divided into 8 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. These 8 parts, 8 equal parts में इसको divide कर दिया है. You have to find the length of each part. So we write here rope length is 10 meter. Total length of the rope. Total length of rope that is equal to 10 meter. Number of pieces of rope. Rope के total pieces कितने हैं? 8. So you have to find length of each piece. Each means एक पीस की लेंथ फाइंड आउट करनी है. तो एक के लिए हम क्या करेंगे? वी डू द डिवीजन. सो वी राइट 10 डिवाइडेड बाय 8. नाउ वी सी दैट 10 is divided by 8. So we write 8 1 ja 8. Now the remainder is 2. So we have to put decimal here and here also. And we write here 0. Then 0 comes down and now after dividing we write 8 2 ja 16. Now the remainder is a 4 and remainder is a 4 here. Now we put again 1 0 and now the 0 comes here and after now here the number is a 40 and we divide 40 by 8, then 8 5s are 40 and in that case your remainder is 0. Now you see that length of each part becomes, so you write here length of each part या each piece of rope that is equal to 1.25 meter. This is your answer. Now clear this one. I hope you understand this exercise and Now we start our next content in our new video. Till then, bye everyone.